Guys, what's good? Welcome back to Andrew Crypto. If you're watching this video, I do give crypto updates. So I literally got payment of 5 USDT recently, and I literally got it for doing nothing. And I'm going to be showing you how I made this amount of USDT. So I got 5 USDT from this app, as you can see over here. I actually got from 5 USDT from this app, and I received it today. As you can see, 11 hours ago I received 5 USDT from this app. And the app just pays you for watching YouTube videos, or let me not just say YouTube videos, let me say advertisement. It pays you for watching advertisement. So the name of this video, guy, the name of this app rather is USDT Tita King. So a link to join this stuff will be in the description box, and do how to join it, do how to click the description box, get the link, join it, and do not forget to use my referral code um 33. This is my referral code here, and to be in the description box also. You just put 33 on registration. So registration is quite easy. All you need to do is to input your name, your email, then password, then you can input a referral code if you have one. All right, guys, so the way we actually earn on this platform is through points. So as you can see over here, my balance here is 1000 points. It's 1000 points a year. And when I withdraw funds from this app, I drew 5 USDT. I drew 5 USDT, which is equivalent to over 5k points, and it's quite easy to get points on this app. So as you can see over here, daily gift is 10 points, and watching video is 15 points, shorter ads is 10 points. So let's do a little calculation here. So let's say, for example, I'm getting to watch like okay, short ads. I'm going to watch like short ads for like 200 times in a day. I'm gonna be getting 2000 coins, or let's just say 10 points short ads. That's let's say 500 a day, 500 a day, plus what's it called, video ads, plus 15. Let's say I still view video ads 500 times a day, then I claim my daily gift, and I can also choose to participate in the spin and earn plan, but I want to be doing that right now. Okay, let's just keep that aside. Okay, so we're going to be earning a total of 12,500 points, 1,500 points, and at the end of the day, if we go withdraw these points, 12,500 points, as you can see, this is a whooping 12.5 USDT. So that's what we are going to be getting, and draws take about 24 hours. Draws take about 24 hours. So it's quite easy. You could also earn from the spin and win platform. All you need to do is to just click on it. When you click on it, then you click on the spin button, then an advertisement will show. Okay, you can continue an advertisement. Okay, guys, as you can see, congrats, I just won 3 points. But let's focus more on this short video ads where we're getting the highest points. So let's say, for example, we're viewing this, let's for example view it now. As you see, my total points here is 1002, 1002. So let's, okay, points has been added. So as you can see, it's already 1020, is already at 1020. So the more ads we view, the more our points increase, and our chances of withdrawing per day is easy. So following this steps that I've showed you would guarantee you about up to 10 USDT on a daily basis, and that's a lot. That's something at all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do all to hit the red subscribe button.